And damn. Hey. Hi, this is something unimaginable. Just a few minutes ago, this was gold and beautiful. Now it's dark, dark, dark. Hey. Hi, 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 hi. It's scary what is coming. It's scary what is coming next year. It's so scary. Oh, yeah, ne? Impilo. Impilo. It's just like how life is all about. You know, some moment you'll be happy like a child in a candy store. The next, things have changed for the West. I think this is just a typical example, the depiction of how life is all about. That within a short space of time, things could be so good looking outside. Just a minute later, you'll be overwhelmed by something of this nature. Then it's becoming dark and it's becoming scary. The lightning now is blistering. There's a sound. Oh, wow. It's a wow moment. Yeah, but we watch him as the view prevails and see where it's running along.